The centennial of this place makes it kind of a special place to work because you can look back on 100 years of growth and development, increasingly professional preservation practice, and you can look at our collections through the years about what was acquired and what it means and how it's preserved and so on. It's a very satisfying thing to look back through 100 years of development for this museum. So it's professionally enriching to do this job. Some of the bigger things that we have that are meaningful to me are, for example, the huge Titan IV launch vehicle. Now, we acquired that several years ago when Titan IV went out of service. We went out to an Air Force base in California and talked to the manufacturer and to the Air Force people about what to do with leftover rockets that didn't have a mission. Well, here come the museum people to say, we want this. And so when they asked, well, we have different sizes of this. What size do you want? I said, give me the biggest one you have. And so we end up with 204 feet of giant launch vehicle that was a real experience to put into a gallery and to build up those pieces into the final vehicle that you see. So it's a really meaningful artifact to preserve, partly because it's just impressively huge. It demonstrates what the Air Force is actually capable of. And it's a satisfying piece for study and acquisition of collections as well. So it kind of covered all those bases. It's a huge thing, it's an interesting machine, it's meaningful for Air Force heritage, and it's a lot of fun to talk about because it's a great story.